In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Coinbase wire transfers. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or a seasoned trader, understanding how to fund your Coinbase account through wire transfers is a useful skill that ensures you have quick access to your funds. Let's go through the process step by step to make it as seamless as possible. First things first, you'll need to access your Coinbase account. You can do this by opening the Coinbase app on your phone or visiting their website on your computer. Once there, simply log in with your credentials to enter your account dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and go through their verification process, but assuming you're already set up, let's proceed to the next step. Now navigate to the section called My Assets. Within this section, find and select Cash, and then tap US dollars, commonly abbreviated as USD. This is where you'll manage your cash balances in the Coinbase ecosystem. It's important to make sure you're dealing with USD if you want to conduct a wire transfer in this currency. With USD selected, look for the option that says Deposit. Clicking or tapping this will bring up various funding methods available to you. Here, you need to choose wire transfer as your desired payment method. Choosing this option will allow you to transfer money directly from your bank into your Coinbase account, providing a quick and secure way to access funds. When you select wire transfer, Coinbase will provide you with detailed wire instructions. This includes the bank name, routing number, account number, and a unique reference code. It's essential to note these details carefully as they are crucial for the transaction. The next step is to initiate the wire transfer from your bank. You can do this by visiting your bank's online portal or by going to the bank in person. Make sure to use the wire details exactly as they appear on your Coinbase account. Pay special attention to the reference code. It's critical for ensuring that your funds are credited to your Coinbase account correctly. Enter this information accurately to prevent any delays. After you've completed the wire initiation with your bank, the final step is to wait. Typically, it takes about 1-2 business days for the funds to arrive and reflect in your Coinbase USD balance. Keep an eye on your account and monitor for the deposit notification. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to set up and manage wire transfers to your Coinbase account effortlessly. Remember, wire transfers are a reliable method for funding your account, especially for larger transactions, due to their security features. We hope this guide has been helpful, and we wish you safe and happy trading with your newly funded Coinbase account.